Hey guys, Max here with CAtuned Off-Road. In this video, we're going to show you how to install the ditch lap brackets on this 2026 Subaru Outback. Pretty simple, guys. Couple of things we need to do, a couple of tools, and let's get started on it. All right, we're going to get started on installing the ditch lap brackets. You get two brackets here with some zip tie holes. You need a 12 mil with the ratchet, and if we walk over here, there's a little bit of trimming you're going to have to do on this cal here. So this piece right here is right up in here, guys. We cut this off, and there's another little piece that we cut off right here. And also I will add on the website a couple of pictures of showing that we trim this so that way it's on the way. It's nothing structural, it's just the little plastic pieces. Next step we're going to do is we're going to remove this bottom one completely off, this nut. This top nut is going to be hanging almost to the edge. So when you do that, just make sure you hold the hood. It's not going to fly off. And we're going to start removing this. So remember, this one's going to get almost to the end. This one's going to fully come off. And if you feel comfortable, guys, get a help, somebody that can hold the hood for you. I'm going to try to do this myself here. We're going to be testing this thing out. It might need to be unscrewed more here. Just like that. Let's see here. There is a little bit more adjustability as you screw this in. Get it nice and tight, and that's it, guys. This is really easy, simple install. We only did one side. You're going to repeat the same side and the other side, and it's that simple.